comfortably accommodating 2 passengers and boasting the uncommon ability to haul anything from a box of chocolates to a rhino. These fabled workhorses combine the best characteristics of a flashy coupe with the straight-up utility of a commercial truck. Beginning life as a trusted delivery van for a florist, this solid panel has served 3 stewards throughout its decades of existence. The most recent steward, the same guy who sank $250,000 into a ground-up restoration, initially located the truck in a church parking lot. Well-worn but completely rust-free, the Ford was stashed in dry storage until money could be allotted for a complete restoration. And following a detailed 8-year build, this dipped, stripped, and sealed F100 rolled out of the restoration shop wearing silky Mercedes silver 2-stage over original Henry Ford steel. There's no shortage of street rods with custom interiors, but a truck this cool always stands out. The cockpit starts with chopped, sandblasted, and leather-lined seats that were sourced from a 1964 Ford Thunderbird. A custom dash founds vintage air climate control beside clean odometer gauges that's hooded to match the headlights, and the driver navigates the strip through a small Lucara steering wheel and a custom Hurst shifter. Tilt the hood forward and you'll have to pick up your jaw when you discover 547 cubic inches of Ford Racing stroker motor. That 570 horsepower beast sends 595 pound-feet of torque through a tough Richmond 6-speed back to a winner's 9-inch with 430 gears and Mosier axles. At the end of the day, you really cannot ask for a cooler street rod. Sporting a solid body, clean paint, custom leather, and a killer drivetrain, this sweet Ford literally has it all. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.